Hello, reception class. Here is a little video to explain Wednesday's phonics lesson. So for today's lesson, you will need the two sheets that you can see on the screen, your phoneme frame and your sentence sheet with the picture of the chick on the top and a pencil. So pause me and get those things ready now, please. But we are going to start by warming up our brains for sounds and singing our favourite song that gets stuck in our heads. What do the letters say? So if you want to go on YouTube and have a sing of this song. So pause me now, please. I hope you like singing that song, reception class, and you're all warmed up and ready for our phonics lesson. Right, we're just going to go through some of the letter sounds that we have already learnt. So when you see the card on the screen, say the sound, please. Shh, shh, shh. A one from yesterday and that we're practicing today. Ch, 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 ch. Y, y, y. V, v, v. Qu, qu, qu. O, o, o. B, b, b. R, r. W, w, w. S, s. J, 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 j. And we're back to sh, sh. Yesterday reception class we learned a new digraph. Remember, a digraph is where there are two letters, but when they are together in a word they only make one sound. The digraph we learned yesterday is on the screen. It is ch, 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 ch. And on the screen you can see some things that start with ch. We have cherry, chick, chair, chips and cheese. They all start with ch, ch. Right, reception, we're just going to have a practice of reading some words that have our ch, ch sound in. Our first one is ch, I, p, ch, I, p, ch, I, p, chip. Then we've got ch, at, ch, at, ch, at, chat. Next up, ch, up, ch, up, ch, up. And then something you can see on the screen. Ch, I, k, ch, I, k, ch, I, k, ch. Last one. Oh, we've done that one. Right, reception, it is time for you to have a go at your first activity. Your first activity today is to try and write some ch, ch, ch words to write on your sheet. You have got chip, chick, chop, chin, chat and chess. Just like I've said on other lessons, you can use your phoneme frame to help you write the words. If you want a little bit of an extra challenge, you could write a list of the words or you could try and put each word into a sentence. But I'm just going to do the first one with you because ch is made up of two letters but only makes one sound. The ch sound goes together in one box. So the first one we are going to write is chip. Chip. So I can hear our ch, ch sound at the start of chip. So I'm writing that in this box. Ch, ip, ch, ip. Oh, it's the I sound in the middle. Chip. And I can hear the p, p sound at the end. Ip, chip. So if you just have a go at writing the other words on your sheet, please, or as a list, up to you. Off you go. Right, your very last challenge today is to write a sentence, and it's a long one today. I would like you to write, I had a chat to a chick. I had a chat to a chick. Let me count the words. I had a chat to a chick. 7 words to write, reception. It's a long sentence. So you have got magic lines to help you. So you've got a line for each word. So I had a chat to a chick. So 2 words in this sentence start with our sound we're practicing today. Ch, 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 ch. And remember to do a full stop at the end of your sentence. So if you have a go at writing that now, I had a chat to a chick. Right, and if you just have a look at mine, this is what it should look like. I've got tricky words I at the start, then had, a, ch, at, chat. Tricky word too. A, ch, ick, chick. And I've got my full stop at the end. Don't worry if yours isn't exactly the same as mine. As long as you had a good try, that is all that matters. Right, reception class, a big well done for working so hard in your phonics lesson today. Give yourself a big thumbs up and a high five. And I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.